Look at this blizzard. Yeah. Nah. This whole situation here ain't right. So I just saw on a bulletin now that they have here for everybody's safety, explaining about the COVID-19 5 dead, 200 and something cases here in Lawrence, Mass. This is yeah, man, that's horrible. That's horrific. Right by the holidays, everybody. I mean, it's COVID-19. Listen, the name alone says it. COVID operations, COVID operations, and then they give us a quarter with a damn bat on it. Hey, listen, I'm not trying to say anything weird, and we get a freak snow. Well, this is spiking. It's just straight up and down horror show everywhere, and everywhere you look. Everybody's safe. Stay out of the streets. Stay in your house. Nice and warm. Your hot cocoa. Your mondongo. Arroz con bichuelas. Chuletas. Totones. Mofongo. Get it in. Stay out the street, man, for these holidays. Let's try to slow this shit down. And please, man, let me stop seeing people with that market basket coughing up and down the aisles with a face mask on, blowing that hot cigarette breath. If I could smell your hot cigarette breath down the aisle, you too close, man. Straight through the mask. Got me catching secondhand smoking emphysema. Holy shit. La gente no le importa nada.